should I do this intro? I'm not quite sure how to do this intro. Should I just like bam it? Or should I just like pop it in? Or should I just, kind of... What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. It's great having you here. I want to go ahead and start off this video by saying thank you guys to all the new subscribers. In the past 30 days, we've gone from 100 subscribers to 250. And I haven't even posted a video during that time. So you guys are awesome. That's my whole world, so I appreciate it. If you like these videos and you want to join the fam, hit the red button below. You know where it's at. Like I said, I've been gone for 30 days, and I just posted the live edge desk video that I did. It's somewhere up here in the corner. You gotta check it out. It's got these awesome geometric triangle legs. You won't want to miss that. Today we're going to be making this awesome hand-cut dovetail box. It's made from ambrosia maple, which is a beautiful wood. If you don't know about it, it's just a regular maple tree that an ambrosia beetle has burrowed into, and it leaves this beautiful figure in the wood, and it's also really affordable. So if you can get your hands on it, you should. I again hand cut these dovetails, and I engraved a logo on the front. Now, if you're wondering what it says weeding is my cardio, and this was a gift for my wife for her birthday. And if you're wondering, no, she does not smoke the ganja, and no, she doesn't help me at all with the yard. She does those Cricut vinyl machines, and they're just like us guys. They have their own little clubs and their own little sayings, and they probably have even worse shopping habits. But apparently when they're pulling the excess vinyl that they don't need out, they call it weeding. So she was just sticking all that trash in old Zaxby's salad containers. So I went ahead and made her a nice box to put on her desk. So you're welcome, babe. And again, she's not smoking the ganja, and she's no good with yard work. So with that being said, let's go and hop to it.
Hey, it's Mr. Troll here. I was just letting you know that you have a hole in your box, bro. Dennison dude, whatever the heck your name is. Okay, so you see that? Well, if I were making that box, I would never even.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that short and sweet video. The project came out great. I couldn't be any happier with it. The dovetails came out really nice and clean, which is awesome because it takes time and skill to improve your dovetails. Even when using the Jonathan Katz Moses jig, which makes it a lot easier, it still is a challenge to make sure that these come out nice and crisp. And my wife loves it as well, which is actually the most important part. And I suggest you guys make something like this as a next project or gift for somebody. This only took me like 2 hours to make, even with recording and using the CNC machine. If you're not going to do either one of those, this might only take an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how fast you are at cutting dovetails. And you know what, it's a really simple thing, but this is something my wife is going to be using daily, and every time she uses it, she's going to be thinking about the gift that I got her. And so we woodworkers, when we make something, we normally make stuff that's usable, tangible. So giving a gift from something that we make is a great way to remind somebody that we care, and they can see the quality of your craftsmanship as well. So that's always fun. But all in all, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please smash the like button. If you guys want to see more videos in the future, I'm planning on posting a video every single day here in October. Hit the subscribe button, and we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.